The cheerful puppy encountered on the highway has a unique job alongside his owner. This adorable dog not only assists his owner in their daily tasks, but also has a cozy den of his own. Inside the den, it's decorated with beautiful stickers that reflect his playful personality. The puppy's enthusiasm is contagious, making everyone around him smile. His den serves as a special space where he can relax after a day of work. This happy puppy truly brings joy to those he meets and showcases the bond he shares with his owner through their adventures together.